Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have gone through many videos on C and C++ like C connection to the Postgres database, relational database, C connection to MySQL relational database, C connection to MongoDB, NoSQL database, then C++ connection to Postgres, C++ connection to MongoDB database. Today in this video we are going to perform different operation on database Postgres using C language. So let us go through the C file. First statement is hash include stdio.h, which has necessary information to include input output function in program like printf and scanf. Then hash include stdlib.h defines four variable type macros and various function like get char. The next statement hash include libpq-fe.h. Its library acts as the interface between C and Postgres. Then main function, then pgcon star con is equal to pq connect db function make connection to database with username and password. Here username is Sachin and password is Sachin123. And if the connection is not successful, then message will be fired. For that purpose I have written this. Then again label I have used of C language table. Then this is menu driven, create table, insert record, display record and 4 to exit. Now pg result is equal to star pqexe function submit the command to the server. This select star from emp1 submit command to the server. Then next statement pqn tuples return number of rows in the query, means whatever number of rows it will fire, that will be written in integer format. Then if none of the rows are fired, then it will return non data retrieval. Then while statement is used, switch case statement will be used. Then case 1 pqexec create table submit command to the server, and if the table is created at the server side, it will fire the message table created, and it will again go to the table, means here it will go to menu driven, then insert the record. Same case pqexe, then it submit the command to the server and then value will be inserted, and then again it will go to the label. Then whatever values have been inserted, that will be displayed using pq get value. Returns single field value, one row of pg result, and then again it will go to the menu, go to table. Default means when all the options are gone, the last option will be by default it will exit. Then pq clear function, every command result should be freed with this function. pq finish function closes the connection. Now we will execute the program. We will be using GCC compiler, and here we are using C99 to execute the program. So for compiling I have used -o. Then I will compile the program successfully. Then I will run the program. 1 is for table create, table has been created. Second, values have been inserted, yes, values inserted. Third, display the values, yes, one value is inserted and it has been displayed. Fourth is for exit. Yes, we have successfully completed menu driven program with different operation on database using C language. If you like this video, please click on like button, and I have taken more efforts to do this program, so if you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.